This is for University of North Dakota Mechanical Engineering Graduate School. Course is ME580, Introduction to Autonomous Mobile Robots. My name is Ty Lofstrom. This is my current course project. And what it is, we've got a mission planner ground control station with an extended Kalman filter that helps with the localization. Working through the SF30 lightware LiDAR unit. It's a Pixhawk cube is the flight controller with a HERE2 GPS. The telemetry transmit receive is handled through an RFD 900. It's currently running with a companion computer, Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. And it has the RG cam for the object detection. It's a 5 megapixel 1080p, and that is being run through OpenCV. And I'll go ahead and show you an example of that. We need to run in the CV, and then go ahead and run the script. And the camera is currently inverted right now because of the way it's sitting here on the table. As you can see here, it detects a bottle. It's a pretty good probability. And that's currently running at about 26.53 frames per second. Power supply on this is going to have a dedicated power supply for the Raspberry Pi to keep it stable so it doesn't fluctuate from the flight controller, which will also have its own dedicated power supply connected through the UBAC down there on the floor. This is the RPI, the LiDAR SF30B from Lightware. It's running at a higher baud rate than the Pix4, and that's currently being worked on right now to make sure those match up. And that is it.